Hello everyone, very warm welcome to another episode of Venkat Varma chemistry classes. Let's start our session. Today we can discuss practical chemistry PYQ's Jan session 2023. Have a look for the question. Given the match the following, they are giving cations and group reactions. Look at for the first one, lead plus 2, copper plus 2, aluminium plus 3, Fe plus 3, cobalt plus 2, nickel plus 2, and barium plus 2, calcium plus 2. Now, these cations are related to which group, and it is related to which type of group reagent. We can find cations, group number, group reagent. Okay, now let's start. See, cations. Lead plus 2, copper plus 2, it belongs to group 2. The group reagent is H2S gas presence of dilute HCl. H2S gas presence of dilute HCl. It is related to lead plus 2 and copper plus 2. Have a look for aluminium plus 3, Fe plus 3. See, Al plus 3 and Fe3 plus ferric and aluminium plus 3. It is related to group third. The group reagent is ammonium hydroxide in presence of ammonium chloride. See, ammonium hydroxide presence of ammonium chloride. It is a group reagent. Now coming to cobalt plus 2. Nickel plus 2. It is related to group 4. The group reagent is H2S in presence of ammonium hydroxide. H2S presence of ammonium hydroxide. Now coming to barium plus 2 and calcium plus 2. It is related to group 5th. The group reagent is ammonium carbonate in presence of ammonium hydroxide. See, ammonium carbonate presence of ammonium hydroxide. Let's check our option. See, P, lead plus 2, copper plus 2. P is related to what? H2S presence of HCl. It becomes P1. Now Q is Al plus 3, Fe plus 3. It is related to ammonium hydroxide in presence of ammonium chloride. Yes. Now or cobalt plus 2 and nickel plus 2. It is related to H2S in presence of ammonium hydroxide. Barium plus 2, calcium plus 2. It is related to ammonium carbonate in presence of ammonium hydroxide. So the option is fourth one. Have a look for next question. In the wet test for identification of various cations by precipitation, which transition element cation does not belongs to group 4th in qualitative inorganic analysis? which cation does not belongs to group 4 in qualitative analysis. Now let's check our option. They are giving Fe plus 3, Zn plus 2, cobalt plus 2 and nickel plus 2. See, generally Zn plus 2, cobalt 2 plus and nickel plus 2. These are belongs to group 4. And Fe3 plus, it is related to group 3rd or group 3. So the option is option 1. Zn plus 2, cobalt plus 2, nickel plus 2, it is related to group 4, which is not belongs to group 4. So obviously Fe plus 3. Our option is first one, option 1. Have a look for next question. Formula for Nessler's reagent. Formulas for Nessler's reagent. First of all, what is Nessler's reagent? The Nessler's reagent is an aqueous solution of potassium iodide, mercury chloride and potassium hydroxide. What is Nessler's reagent? It is an aqueous solution of potassium iodide, mercury chloride and potassium hydroxide. Its chemical formula is K2HgI4. So its formula K2HgI4. It is a formula of Nessler's reagent. Nessler's See, the Nessler's reagent, it is used to detect the presence of ammonia. It turns into pale brown color in the presence of ammonia. Generally, the Nessler's reagent detect the presence of ammonia. It is used to detect the presence of ammonia. It turns to pale brown color in presence of ammonia. So generally, you are asking only formula. Nessler's reagent K2HgI4. So the right option for the option 3. Have a look for next question. Given below two statements. Statement 1. Upon heating borax bead dipped in cupric sulfate in luminous flame, the color of bead becomes green. Statement 2. The green color observed due to the formation of copper 1 metaborate. In the light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from option given below. Have a look for, first of all, what is the meaning of a luminous flame and a non-luminous flame. See, luminous flame means incomplete combustion color. The bright yellow insufficient amount of oxygen provides light is a luminous flame. Non-luminous flame is a complete combustion colorless presence of sufficient oxygen provide heat, that is a non-luminous flame. So first of all, the copper sulfate with boric oxide. So before that, borax bead test. What is mean by borax bead test? See, look at for borax bead test. See, the metal salt like copper sulfate in presence of boric anhydride to form metaborate of metal, which gives different colors in oxidizing and reducing flame. For example, in case of copper sulfate, CuSO4, presence of boric anhydride like B2O3, in presence of non-luminous flame. Already I am giving the definition of non-luminous flame. It means complete combustion, colorless in presence of sufficient oxygen provide heat. They are giving cupric metaborate. Say, look at for CuBO2 taken 2 plus SO3. The name of compound is cupric metaborate. It is a cupric metaborate. The cupric metaborate, its color will be blue-green. The color will be blue-green color. Color will be blue-green. See, in this two reactions that takes place in reducing flame. They are, see, look at for two reactions that takes place in a reducing flame, a luminous flame. See, first of all, the cupric metaborate. See, the cupric metaborate reduced to colorless cuprous metaborate. The blue-green cupric metaborate is reduced to colorless cuprous metaborate. So look at for reaction. See, CuBO2 presence of NaBO2 the carbon luminous flame. See, look at for luminous flame. It gives CuBO2 plus Na2B4O7. Na2B4O7 plus CO. It gives what? Colorless cuprous metaborate. Blue-green cupric metaborate reduced to colorless metaborate. Now coming to cupric metaborate may be reduced to metallic copper and bead appears in red opaque. See, look at for the reaction. CuBO2 in presence of NaBO2 plus carbon luminous flame. It gives copper plus 2 Na2B4O7 plus 2CO. The cupric metaborate, it is a cupric metaborate. The cupric metaborate is reduced to, it is a metallic copper. And bead appeared a red opaque. It is the bead is appeared red opaque. See, according to given statement, what is right option about this? So now let's check out. Both statements are, statement 1 and 2 are false. Yes or no? Borax bead dipped in the cupric sulfate lumina, the color of bead becomes green. No. Yes. Statement 2, green color observed due to the formation of copper 1 metaborate. No. The both statements are false. Option is going to be third. Thank you.